My son's helping me with this video. He has no idea what this is, but I thought we can use it now with our Quest 3.
Is it for the glasses?
No, I tell you, they don't sell that yet. They don't have that.
Stinks.
And they have the prescription thing, but that's it. That's all I saw.
$100.
But you have to wear certain type of glasses to use this. So this is what I purchased. Comes in this small box. And the screen protector accessory. I don't know what that is. And oh, they even saw, they give you screen protector so you can put them on here as well. That's pretty cool. I may use that, not sure. And this is what we purchased.
Oh, it's a protective cover.
Cool, right?
That is cool.
And just in case nothing else in the box, just in case you're curious, I don't think it weighs much, but I mean, it weighs almost nothing, so it doesn't add too much weight on it. Okay. And
what are these for?
I have no idea, so maybe...
Oh, tempered glass.
This is going to be for the front here, so we'll put that on.
But how do you still... How do the camera still work with that on? Because
it's see-through. It's clear. It's like putting a screen protector on your phone.
Oh.
You're still able to use it.
This is the coloring of the back pad, right?
Huh?
It's just the color.
It's just clear.
Okay.
So what is this here? Ah, okay. This is... Okay, it comes with a little microfiber. And dust and alcohol prep pad. I'm not using any of this. I'm just going to use my own microfiber that I depend on a great deal. So let's see. This is my own microfiber cloth. Just clean this. And I'm going to first put this thing on. See-through. Do you want to see what we just purchased? To protect it, so that way we don't scratch it or anything in the front. Cool, right? And
what about like for the when you hit your controllers?
That we haven't gotten anything for. This is the protector for the eyes, which I purchased on Amazon. All right, let's put it together, see how it looks, including the clear cover. Oh, clear lens. Again, I'm using my own microfiber cloth since I know it is not going to cause any issues. I trust what I have. And now let's put the clear cover. So this will be good too. It'll keep it from being scratched. It's pretty new. So far so good. And it seems to be stable. Stays on pretty well. What do you think?
I like the way it looks.
It looks pretty cool, huh?
It looks nice.
Yeah. And this itself, I'm going to put it the way it came, like this. So I'm going to fast forward this part. It's going to be a lot of taking off and putting on. So I think they go you have to put them exactly that way for the simple reason that the middle one comes with a little opening here, which I think is for the some kind of, I guess, sensor. Not sure, but there's a, you can barely see it right in the middle. So it needs to be open, and then the other two are the same way. And we'll use it and come back and let you know yay or nay if it works. So what do you think? So now,
I like the way it looks.
We don't have to worry about scratching
it. Looks like
it.
the Apple. It looks like the Apple VR glasses that are coming out.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I wonder if those are going to have remotes. Or they're going to do the pinching sensor. Because I know with the Oculus 2 you could pinch, but it felt always weird to do that.
Yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. So it looks cool. It's going to protect the lenses and everything. Nice. It'll keep it from getting scratched, and you still keep the nice Quest 3.
I actually like it a lot with that on.
It doesn't put much weight.
No, it makes it look glossy.
All right, so we're going to try it out and come back and let you know yay or nay. So we tried it out, and it worked. No issues. See-through, it's just a protective layer. See-through, sort of like your phone protector. When you get those display protectors, you can still touch them and use them, and the camera still works and everything works well. Yeah, I have absolutely no issues. It works really, really well. You, son?
I like it a lot. I like the way it looks.
Okay. All right. So we got a thumbs up for look. Because the way I put it away is, over here, I have the plastic covers, the top here. Because I slide it in. I plug it in. And I put it, let me just... So this is the way I store it. Can you plug that in? We have the Quest 2 and now the Quest 3. We use both of them. I plug that in to charge. You have to push it all the way in.
No,
okay, there it goes.
Had it the wrong way.
And then I put it like this. So you see how I slide it. Sometimes I don't get the... Sometimes it touches here. So I'm actually looking to get a cover for the bottom here. And then I used to hang it, but now with two of them, I don't have the space to hang them. So now I just keep them in here, charging. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.
Bye.